Let's find out the final output. Notice here, when you are using the full vector, standard vector, the embedding size of this column is 21. After implementing the halfvec vector quantization, now check the embedding size is 13. Find out how to boost your rack performance using the halfvec, which is nothing but a vector quantization. Step-by-step process I have explained clearly. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Today's tutorial is the vector quantization. Why we use vector quantization? It will boost your rack performance using the halfvec embeddings. The first benefit is it will shrink your embedding size, which means the RAM size will be decreased up to 50%. Let's find out with a real example. I'm creating one table called AI course and I'm inserting 10 records. Just for the time saving, I'm not showing here how to create table and inserting the records, because if you know the PostgreSQL database SQL syntax, it's the same kind of syntax we have to use here also, except here the embeddings. Here I'm using the vector 4. This is the standard format. We are storing the embeddings in vector 4. Vector size is 4. The size might be 1536 or 786, whatever it may be, depends on your requirement. Usually, by default, the vectors, when we are inserting the records, it's stored into a 32-bit format. So imagine when you have a millions of data, each embedding will store in a 32-bit format, the RAM size will be increased. So here the concept, vector quantization, it will shrink your embedding data up to 50%. The RAM size will be decreased, and the optimization, the search optimization will be fast because the size will be shrinked. No, that's the reason, and the performance will be the same, no change at all. 99.9% the accuracy will be there using the halfvec, which is a vector quantization. So first let's create this table and insert these records. Execute. Sorry, here I have highlighted, that's the reason I got this error. Refresh. Here query returned successfully. Let's find out here our table has been inserted or not, created or not. Refresh. AI courses. Let's view the table, all rows. The table has been executed successfully. This is our table data. All records are inserted successfully into this table AI_courses. Now the topic starts now using the vector quantization. So first, before using the vector quantization, let's find out how much the vector size, the embedding size has been occupied in that column. So the query is select. What are the column names here? Column names. And notice here, this is a simple select statement. I have used all the 3 columns here. But here I have used one method called pg_column_size, which means I want to check the size of this embeddings, how much it will occupy the size of this embedding column. Let's execute. And here we got the output is 21. See, the embedding size is 21. So now the question is, we want to apply vector quantization, so it will reduce our embeddings size. So for that, what I'll do is I just copy the whole thing. I'm creating another query tool. I just copied here. What I'll do is I just change the table name because AI_courses is already there, so I am changing to 1 here. And this is the most important step. By default, when we are creating the vector as embeddings, we use a vector type. Now here, instead of vector, I'm using halfvec, which is also known as a scalar quantization or vector quantization. In interview, they'll ask, this is not standard float 34 now. It's a 16-bit 16-bit vector size, 16-bit vector size. So 50% I'm reducing here. A courses 1, the table name I'm changing, and also here the courses name. That's it. Let's execute, and here we got the final output here. So using the halfvec here, I got 13. The embedding size is reduced almost 50%. Before I got 21. See, the embedding size when you are using the full vectors, I got 21. After that, after implementing the halfvec vector quantization, I got 13 here. So almost 50% the data size will be shrinked, is reduced. So almost the accuracy when you search any data, it will give 99.9%. So what is vector quantization? Vector quantization is nothing but we are shrinking the embeddings from full vector to half vector. 50% the RAM size will be decreased and it will boost your performance. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. And also please click the bell icon.